Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Okay, I'm at the green. Oh, it's information center thing. Gonna wait till you get here. Oh, oh shit! What the fuck?
You fucking lied.
Yeah. You lied. Oh, I can't see anything.
Just wait a
I'm
second.
floating. I'm floating. Hello, customer. Okay, okay, okay. Goddamn. There we go. Damn.
Weird. Push down like as if push right click.
Dude,
Click and hold it.
You're floating for me.
Really?
Yeah, it's like when you. Okay, there we go. When you jumped, it was fixed. You were like floating there. Hungry? For a quick snack, pop into Igor meat department designed to fill your stomach. Oh god. Am I getting sucked into this?
That's what I mean. So weird. One sec.
Start collecting shit. Where is this? Okay. When I pressed... What did I just press to get into my inventory?
Oh.
Oh? What? Oh, C.
I pressed I inventory.
You can press C for inventory as well.
Oh, okay, that's crafting for me.
Oh. Okay, there's teleporting. There's a cheats on... Why? Okay. Hey! Get away from me. Oh, when I punch, I walk for some reason.
Yeah, I don't know why that's okay.
Okay, let's get a bunch of wood and make a base before it turns dark.
Yeah, I mean they are already aggressive though.
Well, only when we get close to them right now.
Yeah.
Punching wood and getting metal.
I can't hit the
Oh, there we go. I picked up that metal. So I think some of them are just glitched.
Do you want to come upstairs? There's floors.
Oh. Oh shit. Fancy. Okay. Is all you can craft right now? Oh shit.
Technically, we could just build a wall right here to block us in.
Oh, I think you can just disassemble some stuff to grab it, like these lamps. Then I have 6. Yeah, you can just take these lamps apart instead of punching them.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Stay in the corner. Just go into the corner.
I can craft some wooden walls here. Uh-oh. I don't have enough. Okay, I got some concrete from these cement things.
Yo, do not press E on a door that you just plop down.
Oh,
Or not door, but like wall.
a wall,
It just
yeah.
fucking breaks it.
Yeah. And break down this whole fucking shelf. Let's see. Torn fabric. Where do we get that? There's a guy back there.
Yeah.
Check on the map tab, is fucking huge.
Hold up. You can't even turn off the... Wait, what map?
If you go in your inventory and then on the right side, that map icon.
Oh. That's all, everything that we are able to see, and it's fucking infinite.
Yeah.
That's insane. Oh shit.
What?
There's the dude right there.
Okay, let me... What dude? Hey.
Hey. You don't see him there?
Oh yeah. He won't be able to get through this. Oh, if I break that, he can.
Can't they jump?
I don't know. Can't jump over this though. Oh, they can get right through here.
Gonna be right back.
Yeah.
I don't see him.
Yee! He's literally right there. Holy shit! Oh shit, he's right behind us, the wall.
Bro.
Okay, he's running away. Loser. I think he heard me. He's... Oh no.
Bro.
I think he is aggroed. I think the voice just might be broken.
Maybe.
Yeah, because he's running towards us. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Okay. Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here.
Hold up, I'm getting bricks. What's that?
Cement. Oh, this? I don't know what it gives you.
Oh, bricks.
We need to find something that gives us torn fabric. Maybe these?
Yeah, possibly. I kind of think it's... Oh, just dropped something.
It looks like you're...
Yeah, it's torn fabric.
Okay. It looks like you're punching it with your mind. You're just looking at it. Craft a hammer now. Yeah, I have a hammer. This should break much easier. Oh yeah, 3 punches. Only 2 punches, bro. Get your shit.
I need... Get fucked.
Oh yeah.
Sadly, they don't drop anything.
Check it out.
Look at that
Oh.
sky thing.
Yeah, it's the backrooms, I think. I seen a video.
Oh.
I think that's the backrooms. Oh shit. It's a fucking portal.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. SCP base entrance. Oh. Try to break in.
I don't think it breaks.
Damn.
I guess this is
It's
like
a long ass stairway.
oncoming update.
Yeah, I guess so.
Let's look for food now.
I guess because there's different colors on the map. I guess that indicates where you can get different items.
Yeah.
Different materials. Let's go to the yellow section. There's a bunch more food down here. Hey.
I can't take that pizza.
You do take fall damage.
You do?
Yeah, a bit.
I guess the meatballs give you a fuck ton of hunger back. I just ate one and just fucking regened everything. Yeah, food regens you quick.
Yeah. I got some water. Okay. You good on food?
Hmm?
Oh, there you are. Let's beat his meatball cheeks up. You're just floating towards him. Oh, this way. I think this orange section is the concrete section then. Yeah, okay. Starting to make more sense now. 3 more concrete. What does this shit give you? Just wood. And I can now craft a sledgehammer.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Shit, I saw that coming.
Hey, we don't gotta worry. We can fuck them up now. Grab that shit. Didn't think about that.
Oh, we're around. Sort of.
We need to get to the back rooms.
That's right above us.
Is it? No.
What is that above us right there?
Oh, it's back there.
Oh.
Come over here. Wait. Look over there. Way in the distance.
Hmm.
You want to go over there?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's just go around here.
I jumped it.
Oh, what the fuck? There we go. Get this
I wasn't doing anything.
Oh, I just realized that's one of the yeah, right. That's another SCP. When you don't look at him, he moves. I forgot his name though. It's
just me, or did the fucking stairs just disappear?
Yeah, they did. I literally walked right through them. What the fuck, dude? I'm just walking. Why is it so dark here? Is it dark for you too?
It is super dark. How can we take out lights that we collected?
We we collected metal, not lights.
Oh.
Let's see. Is there anything in controls? Nope. Holy shit, dude, this is so laggy. Okay, fuck it. Just build over it.
Fucking Minecraft this shit. Fortnite, I mean. I can't see the stairs.
Okay, this part is fine. What the fuck is that?
Why is it so dark? Dang.
Why is that shit so wide open?
What shit?
Those rooms in the ceiling.
I have no clue.
You don't see that shit?
I only see like the floor. I don't really see it. No, they're not like.
It's wide open for me.
There was only one of them like that for me, and it's back there. Do we just jump the walls?
Well, we can just go around over here this way.
Yeah, let's do that.
Just collect a fuck ton of wood. Okay. Oh, I see why this whole thing is the just a huge fucking backrooms.
Oh.
I was wondering why there was a hole right there in there and why the ceiling looked so weird. Okay, should we start building up?
Sure.
Okay.
So weird, I can hear your swings and your movement from anywhere, basically.
Can't break that shit. Break that though. But do you see this giant hole in the sky here?
No, I don't see the holes.
It's just a big fucking hole, like one of these whole chunks.
So what, do we just start setting up ladders?
Yeah, start on the side there.
The green, there's... teleport to spawn, or should I TP you to me? Because there's a green thing next to me.
Oh, okay, I'll grab your stuff then, wait.
Okay. That was so retarded though. Just fucking randomly started falling through the floor.
Oh, I can't take yours? Damn.
No? Oh.
Okay.
What is that?
I don't know. I heard that on your end. Okay. Whoa. Okay, let's go.
Do you want to break some things for me? Like these three. Yeah. I need a little bit more. Ooh. Price box, bro. You wanna break a couch for me? Break two.
Mm-hmm.
Apparently I didn't grab enough wood. The fuck? Okay. I think I just need 2 more cloths. 1 more cloth.
Okay, I'm at the green... oh, it's information center thing. Gonna wait till you get here. Oh shit, what the fuck?
You fucking lied!
Yeah. You lied! What the fuck is that?
Not a nice thing.
Processed brick? How did I get a processed brick? Okay, I think he drops the fuel. What the fuck are we supposed to do though? How are we supposed to?
Fuck him. Gonna move.
How did I get a processed? Oh, I got 5. I can build a crossbow now. Wait, no, I can't. We need fuel.
Is it from these little houses? No. Where the fuck did we get it from?
From the information center, maybe? I don't think we can take them on. Hold on. What?
He started running at me, bro.
Oh shit, man.
Fuck, bro. He throws shit.
Yeah.
Bro, he tossed a little building at me.
I guess the sounds are fucked because I can't hear shit from them.
Yeah, I don't need anything.
Maybe the backrooms has that gas.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go get this scrub. Yips.
Hey! 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 It's fucking targeting.
Holy shit. Attack and get out of the way.
Oh fuck, I'm almost dead.
Oh my god.
I'm dead.
Why does he do so much damage?
He's giving us a lot of cloth, bro.
Oh yeah. Hey, holy shit, dude. How, what? I literally have... Okay, I died. Teleport to spawn points, player 2.
Hold on, I can TP.
Oh yeah. Okay, why don't we just do that? You keep TPing me and I'll just go at him.
Okay. I gotta get out of his vision.
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's probably right around the corner.
Damn, there's a lot of cloth. I don't think the beds work yet.
I guess not.
Oh, I got him.
Nice. What did he drop? Gotta wait for his fat ass to move. Nothing.
Nothing. Wait. Yeah, I still have everything. Let's try pressing this again. Okay, no, we got this now. What does
I'm
it mean?
almost dead as well. Like one tap to... Ah, wait, you can't drop it.
Maybe now we can go into the base?
Maybe. Let's try to look for a food court as well. There's nothing, there's no exit down there.
But, I got trapped. Oh, never mind. Let's go around this way. Because that way is gonna take... we can build. Let's just...
I can't take any fall damage, bro. I'm one tick.
Let's just go straight ahead. Oh yeah, I guess so.
It does look like it's
breaking. Oh, it's broken.
Hold on. I want to place down.
What is this? Oh, brick. Okay, yeah.
Heading outwards.
This is our new home. Use?
Yo!
Oh shit. I just pressed the cell phone. Nothing happened.
He's
gone. What the fuck is that?
I'm not gonna follow your voice. Suck my penis, bro.
Is that what he's saying?
Yeah. You don't hear that?
No, I can't hear shit.
Well, he's saying follow my voice.
Bro. Why can't I hear anything? The fuck?
Holy fuck, he's low-key thick in a way. Like...
yeah, he's aight. Okay, where's that voice telling you to go?
That's him. He's made...
Oh. There's another... phone. Well, hey, at least we got to... I guess we're playing backrooms now.
Should we toss down some beds? See if that shit will work.
Yeah. I don't even have enough fabric though.
Yeah, me neither. I thought I did. I'm down 2.
Oh, this phone's ringing. Can you press use on it?
My game just crashed.
Oh my god.
That's too funny. You still want to play or no? Kind of want to explore.
I'm still in the game.
That's weird.
Maybe I can re-invite you. Oh, nope, I just...
got kicked. I'll invite you. Do you spawn all the way at spawn?
Yep. Nope, I'm right here.
I just TP'd you. Do you have all your shit or no?
No. Oh, now I can sprint. Okay, let's answer this. Oh, fuel. I got fuel.
Really? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
5.
Holy shit, he fucking packs a punch.
Let me know when you need a TP.
Bro, the screen goes all glitchy when he fucking attacks you.
Yo, why you bring him over? Oh shit.
Just run. Teleport quick. Oh, my bag's here, I think. Is this my bag?
Is it?
I don't know, I can't pick it up.
Oh.
I don't think you can kill him.
Don't think so either. Let's escape him. There's a little hole in the...
Our ladder and stuff is over there.
Is it?
Yeah, where we just were before I died.
Okay. Let's then just run past them.
I don't have that fuel anymore though, it's fucking bullshit.
Your bag might be there. Or no, you got it before. Damn.
Yeah, because my...
Fuck.
I crashed again.
Oh, my